We'll guide you through how to make fisheye effect in Photopea. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Many people search for this fisheye effect tutorial because the effect creates a unique, curved perspective that makes photos look more creative and eye-catching. Begin by opening Photopea in your browser. Photopea is a website that can be accessed from both computers and smartphones, making it convenient for editing anywhere. On your computer desktop, locate the Google Chrome shortcut and right-click on it. After the menu appears, click Open to launch the browser. When Google Chrome opens, the screen will display the standard homepage or search page. Look at the top of the screen and find the address bar. Click on the address bar, type Photopea, and then press the Enter key on your keyboard. On the search results screen, select the topmost option, 𝗟𝗃𝗘𝗗𝗗, to continue. You will then be directed to the Photopea website homepage. Before starting the editing process, make sure the photo you want to edit is already prepared on your device. On the homepage, click the Open from Computer option. Browse to the location where the cloud's image is saved, select the image, and click Open. Once the editing page and image appear, press Ctrl+0 on your keyboard so the canvas is properly highlighted and centered. On the toolbar, select the ellipse tool and create a circular selection on your photo. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the selected area. Move the duplicate layer to the center and resize it if needed. Next, go to the Filter menu, open the Distort menu, and select the Spherize Filter option. Adjust the amount value according to your preference and click OK. Then press Alt+Ctrl+F on your keyboard to repeat the filter. Readjust the spherize amount if necessary and click OK again to save the changes. After that, create a new adjustment layer and select Color Fill. Set the color to black, click OK, and place the color fill layer below the duplicate layer. Finally, you have successfully created a fisheye effect in Photopea. You can vary it with other effects, add an inner glow effect for light reflection, and apply an inner shadow effect for more realistic results. Experiment with different image positions and filter strengths to achieve unique fisheye editing results easily.